Here is how you can get coins in eFootball 2024. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can get coins in eFootball 2024. So let's start. First of all, open the game and log into your account. As you log into your account, you will get daily login bonus on a weekly basis. Normally, you will get GP on the first 6 days of the login and get some amount of coins on the 7th day of the login. So this is the first method by which you can get coins. Furthermore, you can also get coins from various events that gets updated regularly. So in order to access to those events, go to match, then after go to event. Now when you tap on any event, you can see the rewards that you can get from those specific events. So simply check all the events individually and you will find some events with coins as rewards. After that, the third method by which you can get coins in eFootball is by completing the objectives. In order to do that, go to missions and select objectives. Now in the objective section, let's check festive season. As you scroll below, you can see an objective that will give you 50 coins when completed. So simply complete these objectives and you will get coins as rewards. Finally, the last method by which you can get coins in eFootball is by purchasing them from the shop. So in these ways you can get coins in eFootball 2024. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.